see here. So what I told you, if it is an like charges, suppose this is a positive charge, okay, then this is a positive charge. Suppose due to this positive charge, the force will be in this direction, and for this, the force will be in this direction. And the distance between these two charges is r. So here the force will be positive or negative? Here the force will be positive or negative? Hello?
Yes, sir. Hello.
So here force will be positive or negative? These are like charges. Okay. So for like charges, that will be positive. Okay. Suppose so repulsion occurs. Suppose one is positive, one is negative. So in this case, what happens? Attraction occurs. This distance suppose charge. So due to these charges, the force will be in this direction. And due to these charges, force will be in this direction. So here, unlike charges, that's why force will be negative. Okay, so this at least you remember. So like charges, force will be positive. Unlike charges, force will be negative. Then unit vectors is calculated always from source to destiny. So you have to find out at which point you have to find out the field. So that point you write unit vector is calculated always from source to destiny. So this point you have to remember. Then only you can find out the direction. So first you have to this one. So from this concept you can find out unit vector. Then the direction of a force is the direction of a unit vector. So this part you have to always remember unit vector is calculated always from source to destiny. This point you remember, you write in your note copy. So what will be the direction of force? So the direction of, you write this one in your note copy. The direction of a force is the direction of a unit vector. So that's why I discussed the vector concept, but the vector concept is not in the syllabus. This is very important. So the direction of a force is always direction of a unit vector. So first you have to find out the unit vector. And suppose in an interview sometimes they will ask, where the Coulomb's law you can apply. So the Coulomb is applicable for any point charges only. So first you have to find out from source to destiny, then from that unit vector you can find out the force direction, and if they will ask that Coulomb's law is applicable for dynamic charges or point charges, you will say that it's applicable for only point charges. Okay. Coulomb's law is applicable you write this is applicable. It's applicable for only point charges. Only point charges. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So these things.
Yes, sir.
And that concept, what you have to remember? The force is directly proportional to what? Product of two charges. Then force is proportional to, inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the two charges. That means the conclusion what you got, that F is proportional to Q1 Q2 by R square. Okay. So from this, the proportionality you can put a constant. That constant value all of you know. Equal to what you know, that this equal to, I can say, if I omit this proportionality, so K into Q1 Q2 by R square. These things we discuss. Now what is K? That where
over 4 pi kilometers.
K equal to, that constant value you have to remember. If they will ask from any problem, then directly you can put 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 9. So 10 to the power minus 9 by, or which I cannot copy, by 360 pi. So this value, if you get, that value will be 9 into 10 to the power 9. 9 into 10 to the power 9. What is the unit?
9 into
Meter per Faraday. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
CD पागल है बता.
So now what you will do, that F equal to, if you write in terms of unit vector, so you can write Q1. Look, I have given a direction, Q1 Q2 4 pi epsilon 0 R square into unit vector you have to write AR K. So this is the force. If force will be there, unit vector also you have to write. Here direction left hand side, so right side also you have to put the direction. So is it clear? Why you are talking? Any doubt? Hello?
Yes, sir. No doubt, sir.
No, one girl was saying sweetie pagal hai. Who is that girl? Anjali?
Yes, sir.
You are saying that sweetie pagal hai.
Oh my God.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Actually, sir, Sweetie has a sister, sir.
Sweetie?
She is talking with me, so I am telling तुम पागल हो.
Okay. तो पागल नहीं है? हैं?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, okay. So up to these things we discussed. So I think I have given one problem. That problem you have solved or not? That find a force acting at a point. This one I have given or not? Find a force acting at a point. I'll write this question. So what I have written here? Can anyone read? Hello.
Yes, sir.
What I have written here? Are you able to see my screen or not?
Yes, sir.
So what I have written?
Find a force.
Find a force acting at a point. Acting at a point 0, 0, 1, having a magnitude of, this was a 10 mark IS question 2006, having IES question, Indian Engineering Service, having a magnitude of having a magnitude of 30 microkilometer coulomb, 30 microcoulomb due to 4 point charges located at one, 0, 0, -1, 0, 0, then 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. So 1, 2, 3. First one is 1, 0, 0, -1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Another one is, that one you write 0, -1, 0, -1, 0. So at this point, 4 point charges are there. I have to find out the force acting at 0, 0, 1. And these point charges has having equal charges of 10 microcoulomb. Having equal charges of 10 microcoulomb. So this question you will get in your semester examination if there will be subjective examination. Okay, offline physical examination. So this one question sure you will get. This actually I appeared in 2006. I appeared that IS exam. So this question they asked. So can you find out what is the, all of you at least read the question. Find a force acting at a point 0, 1, 0. So at that point I have to find out the force. This is the destiny. 0, 0, 1, 1 is the destiny. Having magnitude of 10 microcoulomb. That means at this point 10 microcoulomb one charge is there. And 4 point charges are located at 1, 0, 0, minus 1 0 0, 0 1 0 0, and 0 minus 1 0, having equal charges of 10 microcoulomb. So 4 point charges are there. Their magnitude is 10 microcoulomb individually, and at a point 0 1 1, that is the destiny, there I have to find out the force, and there the charge present is 30 kilometer, 30 microcoulomb. So can you find out or not? So here main thing is you have to find out the point is given to find out the unit vector. Then you have to add all the unit vector. At last you will get so are you able to do it or not? Can anyone read the questions what you have written in your copy? Anjali Kumari, can you read the questions what you have written? Are you there or not?
I'm here, sir.
Read the questions.
Find a force acting a point 0 R1 having a magnitude of 30 microcoulomb due to 4-point charge located at 1 0 0 and minus 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 minus 1 0 having equal charge of 10 microcoulomb. Hello, sir.
Now you read what you have written. So when I am writing here, are you all people are writing in your note copy or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No. Now read. That is 4-point charges, not 4-point charge. Can you read again? Can any other students can read?
Yes, sir.
You read the questions. Ashish Pradhan.
Find a force acting at a point 0 R1 having a magnitude of 30 microcoulomb due to 4-point charges located at 1 0 0 minus 1 0 0 1 0 and 0 minus 1 0 having equal charges of 10 microcoulomb.
Again you read. Find a force acting at a point 0 0 1.
Yes, 0 0 1 having a magnitude of 30 microcoulomb due to 4-point charges located at 1 0 0 minus 1 0 0 1 0 and 0 minus 1 0 having equal charges of 10 microcoulomb.
Okay. Can all of you solve? Can you solve or not? Yes or no?
So we'll try, sir.
Huh?
Try करेंगे.
ट्राई नहीं करो अभी. ट्राई तो तुम कर सकते हो. एक साल के बाद करोगे तो ट्राई करने से क्या होगा?
नहीं सर कर रहा हूँ सर.
Give some idea, then only you can know, na? So first see what is the question was asking. Find the force acting at a point 0 0 1. So you have to imagine that where that point will be. Suppose this is x. Suppose this is x. This is suppose y. This is suppose z. Okay.
Yes.
So find a force acting at a point 0, 0, 1. So where will be 0, 0, 1? X equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to
1.
1. So suppose this is the point z equal to 1 here. Okay. Here z equal to 1, here x equal to 1, here y equal to 1. Other coordinates are 0. So at this point will be what? 0, 0, 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, find out other point. So here, which charge is present? 30 coulomb charges. So here charge was 30 coulomb. At this point, the charge present is 30 coulomb. 30 microcoulomb. Yes or no?
10, sir.
Then, where the other 4 point? So you draw the diagram, then find out. Otherwise, you cannot solve. 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0 means x equal to what? 1, 0, 0 means what?
So 100 means sir x is equal to 1.
So x equal to 1. Okay. Suppose x equal to 1 here. At this point. So if here x equal to 1, so this point will be 1, 0, 0. Okay. So here the charge present is 10 microcoulomb. So at this point, which charge is present, that is also 10 microcoulomb. Okay. Now what are the other point? Minus 1, 0, 0. Minus 1 means
Minus 1x.
x. So this is positive x. So this side will be negative x. So point will be, suppose minus 1 point is here. Okay. So I can write p equal to minus 1. Next, this is on negative x-axis. Don't assume this is in y and z plane. This is in negative x-axis. What are the other point? 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0 means
1 at y-axis.
suppose this point. Okay.
It's in the, yes.
So this point will be 0, 1, 0.
0.
So here also 10 coulomb. 10 microcoulomb. Here also what? 10 microcoulomb is there. Here also, in this point also, 10 microcoulomb. What are the other point?
Minus 1 in the y-axis.
0, minus 1, 0. So if this is the point, so similarly in the opposite side. So this will, suppose here. Okay. So this value will be
Yes, sir.
0.0 minus 1, 0. Here also what is the charge present? 10 microcoulomb. So 4 charges, point charges are there. And here I have to find out the force at this point. And at that point, 30 microcoulombs. Okay, so can you find out? So one force I have to find out. Suppose due to these point charges. So first point is given. Suppose that is given 100. 100 means this one. So this is one point charges now, and this is another point charges now. So by Coulomb's law, I have to find out the force at this point, at 001 point. So which one is the source, which one is the destination? Which one is the source, which one is the destination? Which one is the source, which one is the destination? Destination is where I have to find the force at this point. This one is the source. So suppose due to these point charges, the force will be this one. And the force direction will be always from source to destination. This is one force. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So this force will be F1. First point. So I am writing this is about F1. Okay. Now similarly you find out second, which is the second point? -1, 0, 0. So this point. So this is now source, this is the destination. So what is this? Always direction will be source to destination. So what is the force here? This force is F2. Then what is the third point?
From 010.
0, 1, 0.
Yes.
Why the Anjali Kumar is leaving and entering? So 0, 1, 0.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So due to this point, look here. This is one point charges. This is one point charges. This is one point charges. This is one and this is one. Okay. So due to this 1, 0, the force will be. This is now source. This is the destination. So this is the force. So this force will be
F3.
F3. Then what is the fourth one? 0, -1, 0. This point. So due to this, which force will be there? This force also now. This is the source. This is the destination.
Yes, sir.
Because I have to find out the force here only at this point. So this force will be F4. Okay. So total force will be here. And this was a 10 mark IES question. That's why you don't feel it is easy one. So F is the total force I have to find out. So I will find out total force. The total force will be summation of the all the forces at this point at the destiny. So F equal to, we can write F1 force, F2 force, F3 force, F4 force. So in all book, same type of problem is given, data different. So one question you will get if there will be subjective type of question. So now all you have to check from this point, I have to find out only the unit vector. And the unit vector will be always from source to destiny. So I have to find out the vector between the 2 points. Then I have to find out each force direction unit vector. After that I will add F1, F2, F3, F4. So now using Coulomb's law, can you find out what is F1, what is F2, what is F3, what is F4? The diagram is clear or not, everyone? Yes or no? Is it clear or not? Or any doubt you can ask? I am audible to you or not? What you are doing?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
So any doubt in the diagram?
No, sir.
Other student, why you are not responding? Then Mariel,
Yes, sir.
any doubt in the diagram?
No, no doubt. It's clear.
Okay, so now we have to use the Coulomb's law, and the four forces I have to find out: F1, F2, F3, F4. Then I have to add. So what is the Coulomb's law? Suppose F1 I have to find out. Now suppose I have to find out F1. So between 2 point charges, the force you can find out using the Coulomb's law. So I have to find out two charges. One is Q1, Q2 by 4 pi epsilon 0 r square. R square means distance into unit vector AR cap. So first you find out what is the unit vector in the point 1 to that destiny, from source to destiny. So can you find out or not? First you list out. First all of you list out source point and destiny point. Then only you can find out. So how many source points are there? How many source points are there?
4.
4. Destiny is 1. Okay. Now you write all the 4 points. First one is suppose 1, 0, 0, the source. So destiny will be 0, 0, 1. Yes or no? Similarly, in other cases, -1, 0, 0. So this is 1 point, this is 1 point. You can find out the unit vector and direction of the vector. Then 0, 0, 1. Same destination. Then third is 0, 1, 0. So this one is actually to clearly find out what is F1, F2, F3. Suppose this is F1, then F2, then F3. That's why you have to do like this. Otherwise, you may do some mistake between confusion F1, F2, F3. So this one will be 0, -1, 0. Then 0, 0, 1. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So now find out what is the unit vector first. AR1 for unit vector 1. Suppose if I write here FR1, suppose I will write here AR1. This is for AR1 case. So 2 points you got. So how to find out the vector?
Point B minus point A.
How to find out?
X6 points on point B minus X6 points on point A.
Find out, tell. What is the AR1 cap? So first one is you see here.
Minus 1.
That is first one is, suppose this is x1, x2, x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. So x2 minus x1. That means 0 minus 1, x cap. Then 0 minus 0,
Minus
then 1 minus 0,
0.
z cap.
1.
Okay. By
Yes, sir.
what?
By square root of 2.
By square root of 2. So you can find out or not? Last one is C. x2 minus x1. So I can write 0 minus 1 x cap. All of you try to understand clearly. Plus, what is x? Why is x2 point?
0 minus 0.
0 minus 0,
Y cap.
a y cap. Plus, check.
1 minus 0. A Z cap.
1 minus 0,
A Z cap.
a z cap. By magnitude. So this is 1 square, this is 1 square. So what I can write? 1 square,
Root of 2.
0 square plus 1 square root over. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what is the value you got?
Minus 1.
Minus
Ax
x
cap.
cap plus
Plus A Z cap.
a z cap.
Over square root of 2.
So that's why they have asked in that IS question. So these things you have to mention when you are calculating F1. So now can you find out F1? So what is the F1 tell?
Thirty.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
One is 10 microcoulomb. Q2 is 30 microcoulomb. Then 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 is 9 into 10 to the power 9. Distance is, what is the distance you got? Root 2.
2.
Root 2.
Yes, sir.
2 square. R square is root 2 square. And unit vector is minus ax cap plus az cap root 2. So you can find out.
Root 2.
Yes or no?
Yes.
What is the distance from this point to this point or not? Yes or no? or in the diagram you see, this point to this point I have to find out distance. Okay. Now this is 1. Length 1. This is also length 1. And these two are perpendicular. Right angle triangle. So what is the distance from this one? 1 square plus 2 square root over. So this distance will be root 2.
Yes, sir.
From this point to this point. This point to this point, distance will be root 2. So find out the value of F1.
Okay, sir.
Q1 value 10 microcoulomb. 10 into
10 to the power of minus 6.
minus 6. So this is only problematic paper. So if you know the calculation, how to use the calculator, then it will be easy. Then 10 microcoulomb into 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, the K value. What is the value? K value that you have to remember.
9 times 10 to the power of 9.
What is the K value?
9 times 9 to the power of
9 into 10 to the power
10 to 9.
9. This into, you can put here 9 into 10 to the power 9 by r square. R is root 2,
Is root 2.
root 2 square. This is only this.
Sir.
The remaining part is what is present.
Unit vector.
Unit vector.
Sir.
So what is the unit vector? Air cap.
Minus
Cap is minus x cap
ax cap
plus
plus z cap
z cap
over root 2.
root 2. So this is a vector now. This is a vector now. So similarly, the F2 you can find out or not? Look, this vector part, this type of term you will get in F2, F3 also. So finally, if you add, this term will reject, some term will reject.
Yes, sir.
It's a 10 mark question. So you have to find out all these things. So all of you clear or not? How will get the F2, F1? If any doubt, ask. So for F2, what I have to find out? Similarly, same charges or 10 into this one. Can you solve or not? You solve. What is the value you are getting? For F2, 10 into 10 to the power minus 6, same charges, into same 30, into that constant also same. Distance is also same or not?
Same.
Check from F2 to F1, F2 to that point, destiny point. Otherwise, the destiny and source points where I have mentioned, you check there. or in the diagram?
Destination is same.
Same. So what is the distance? Root 2 square.
Yes, sir.
No, this is, any doubt here? The distance here also root 2. Any doubt? See here. 0 minus 1, 1 whole square. Plus 1 minus 0, 1 whole square. So that becomes root 2 square.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Distance will be root 2. Or in the diagram also you see. What is the second point? Which one the second point? This one. Okay. It is minus x axis. So this point is 1. Then this point is also, from here to that point is also 1. Or you directly find out from this point to this point the distance you can directly find out. So these and these two will be perpendicular. So this one square plus this one square root over equal to this one you will get.
Yes, ma'am.
Or 2 point form distance you can find out. So this is the magnitude part. But unit vector will be, what will be the unit vector?
Ax cap plus Az cap.
A add to cap. So I will find out A add to cap. Find out. So this is the unit vector.
Ax cap plus Az cap.
So A add to cap equal to, check second point, 0 minus
Minus 1 is equals to 1.
0 minus minus 1 x cap. Other student, why you are not responding? Next is
0 minus 0.
0 minus 0 ay cap plus
1 minus 0.
Z cap.
by
Root 2.
what is the value that you got?
Ax cap
So A add to cap equal to unit vector equal to you got
Ax
A
cap
x cap plus
plus Az cap
L cap by
over root 2.
is it okay? So find out F2. So write what is the F2 value you got. So one charge was 10 into 10 to the power minus 9. Other charge was 30. No, sorry. 10 into 10 to the power minus 6.
Minus 6.
13 to
Minus
the
6.
power minus 6.
Times
9 into
9 times 10 to the power of 9.
by
2.
2 square into x cap.
Ax cap
F cap plus Z cap.
Az
Root 2 by root 2.
by
root 2.
so you got this one also. So can you find out F3?
Yes, sir.
Find out F3. All of you are writing or not? Because this problem, one problem you will solve, you can solve any problem. All are writing? Any doubt how to calculate F1, F2? Aditya Kumar? Why you people are attending classes?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am? Hello? Urbi Sahu?
Yes, sir.
Urbi Sahu?
Yes, sir.
So can you calculate F1, F2 or not? Or any doubt you ask? I'll repeat.
No, sir. No, sir.
So similarly find out what is F3. So for F3, similarly what I have to find out?
Unit vector.
Unit vector. Find out unit vector. Yeah,
Minus Q.
all you find out. If you solve, then only you can find out. Otherwise, not possible. So here 3 cap. What is the first point? Choose 0, 0.
Plus 0.
You choose the destiny point first, then source. Destiny minus source. So 0 minus 0, escape. Then
0 minus 1.
0 minus 1.
One.
Only 1, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Then third one.
1 minus 0.
By
2.
2.
what is the value you got?
Minus A y cap. Minus A y
Plus
plus A z cap.
That's it.
Azure cap by
Root 2.
2.
this one you got. So you can easily find out what is F3 because same charges, same magnitude, same distance.
Yes, sir.
Only unit vector you have to put. Clear everyone or not? Your unit vector is how much important. So F3 equal to, you can write one charge is 10 microfarad, other charge is 30 microfarad, and 9 into 10 to the power 9 by
Root 2 square.
root 2 square into unit vector
Yes, sir.
minus
A y cap plus A
Azure
z
cap by
root 2.
for F4. First complete everyone these things. So in F1, F2, F3, any doubt?
Sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Sweetie Kumari,
Yes, sir.
any doubt?
No, sir.
So who was actually joining many times? Leaving, joining, leaving, joining. Anjali Kumari?
Sir, I think network issues.
Who? I am asking whose network issue? Anyone? I don't know. I think Anjali Kumari. Anjali Kumari?
Yes, sir.
So is there any network issue from your side?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so have you got it or not? What do we discuss? Now you
Not, sir.
not. Hello?
Actually, sir, my side having many more network issues, sir.
That means
I
you are,
can't hear you properly, sir.
no. That means you are unable to see the screen also.
Yes, sir.
So tell me what we discussed in today's class. What we discussed today?
Coulomb's law.
No. I am asking her. So similarly for F4, find out the unit vector. Suppose A R 4 cap. Find out. So all of you see the fourth combination. What is the destination first point? What is x1?
0 minus 0.
0 minus 0 x cap plus
0 minus minus 1.
minus 1,
0 minus minus 1 plus
1 minus 0.
1 minus 0.
Yes.
By root 2.
Yes.
So what is the value you got?
AY cap plus AZ cap over root 2.
I think in JITM. Are you staying in hostel or at home?
Hostel, sir.
Hostel, sir.
So in hostel
home,
there is
sir.
no network issue.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Always you have always that issue. Network issue, issue, library issue, book issue, health problem, COVID problem. FR4. So F4 find out. Same charges. What is the value?
Yes,
10 times 10 to the power minus 6.
minus 6,
Always practice at least 100 times these questions.
Minus 6, sir.
Minus 6. So you practice question 100 times.
minus 30 plus 30
Into
6,
9 times 10 to the power 9.
by
Root 2 square.
R square into AR.
AY cap.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Find out. Find out the net. Look, this is it is showing it is lengthy calculation, but when we will add, it will be very small one. Because the component will cancel each other. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the value? What is the F4 value? AY cap
Plus AZ cap.
AY cap plus AZ cap by
Over root 2.
root 2. So now you got 1, F2, F3, F4. Can anyone add and tell what is the value? So this is root 2, root 2, root 2. So that becomes 2, 2 to 1. Other one is 2. So that is 2 root 2. Then 9 into 3, 27. This is minus 6.
Yes.
Minus 6, 12. 12 minus 3.
-9.
Here 0, here 3. So 10 to the minus 1. Huh?
Yes, yes.
So now find out what is the value. Total force at
0.3.
F1,
Total force plus
F2,
Yes.
F3.
help you check the unit vector. The unit vector magnitude are constant everywhere, 1 by root 2. So see which one is plus and which one is minus. In AR1, minus x by root 2 is there. But in AR2, plus x by root 2 is there. So x component will cancel. Then which one will be there? Plus AY in AR3.
Yes, yes.
In AR3 minus AY by root 2.
Cancel with
Then in AR4 AY by root 2. So that will cancel. Only Z
YZ.
will be there.
Yes,
So 4 AZ will be there. 4 AZ by root 2. Will we check?
yes.
First, what is the value of F1?
1.35 Newton.
Look here F1. Minus x plus AZ by root 2. So if we add this one, we suppose hello madam କୁହନ୍ତୁ institution ID
Total value 1.35 newtons.
କୋଉଟାରେ ଆଚ୍ଛା ସେ ଯୋଉ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଇଏ ପାଇଁ ଇଏ ହେଇଛି ଯୋଉଟା ଏ ଯୋଉ ଆସେସମେଣ୍ଟ ରେ ତ ହଁ ହଁ ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ ଆଇଡି ତ ଅଛି ଯେ ସେ ନା ମତେ ଏଟା ତ ଇଣ୍ଡିଭିଜୁଆଲ ଆମକୁ 2-3 ତଳକୁ ଆସିଥିଲା ମୁଁ ଆଉ କଲି ଫ୍ୟାକଲ୍ଟି ଏଣ୍ଟର ଦ ଫୁଲ୍ ନେମ୍ state town village ହଁ ମୋ पर ମୁଁ ଅଛି ଟିକେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ୍ student you wait for 1 minute
Okay, sir.
Hello. Hello. Are you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So what is the value you got?
1.35 newtons.
So you see which component will cancel each other. That x, ay value, the one will be minus x by root 2, other part will be x by root 2, so that will cancel. Minus ay by root 2, then plus ay by root 2, that will cancel. Only az component will be there. So 4 forces, 4 az are there. So 4 az and their magnitude is by root 2. So you can write this one. You that check that one, 10 to the minus 6, 10 to the minus 6. So 10 to the minus 12 and 10 to the 9. So that becomes 10 to the minus 3. And in 10, 1, 0, in 31, 0. So that becomes 10 to the minus 1. And 9 into 3, that becomes 27. So you got 27,
Divided by 2, sir.
27 into 10 to the power minus 1
Minus 1.
by,
Divided by 2.
take care, how many root 2 square are there? 4. So root 2 square is 2. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So that becomes 4 by 2. So 4 by 2 becomes 2. So this is 2 into
Yes,
how many az are there? 4 az. 4 az by root 2. Okay. So what is the value?
5.4.
So this is 2, this is 2. So root 2 you multiply here. This is 2.7 into root 2 az cap. So use calculator. What is the value? Check 3.86 you are getting or not. Yes or no? Are all of you clear or not?
No, sir.
Huh? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, practice this question many times and solve the example of Sadiki book and share the answer. Read the question of Coulomb's law. Theory part you read from the textbook. So tomorrow I'll take class from 7 to 9 evening and I'll cover first module, everything. But you read the textbook today. How to find out due to different point charges, how to find a force at a one point. The unit vector part is very, very important. You have to first know how to find out the unit vector. Is it clear? So in exam, if they will ask, one question you will get, that will be, I think, 10 mark questions. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So you practice these things, eh? Okay, okay. So I am ending the
Good night, sir.
other, okay, good night. Other meeting is there. So tomorrow 7 p.m. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good night, all.
Sir, same link or another link, sir?
I'll share the link.
Okay, sir.
6:30 I will share the link because this is an important subject. I have to see, cover all the syllabus. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
extra classes because this time due to that practical classes, 2 weeks there will be no any schedule from in that working hour. So which practice you are doing now in AMT? Have you run that MATLAB code for dipole? Electric first one?
सर
No, sir.
सर बस बेसिक
No,
किया
sir.
गया था सर
Why?
मैथ्लैब में बस बेसिक किया गया था
Yes, yes, sir.
No, you install in your laptop. I will share the
यस
code.
सर इंस्टॉल हो गया है
हाँ.
एक्चुअली सर ओनली इंस्टॉल करवाई थी मैटलैब मैम।
Okay, you install. I will share the code, or I will discuss in the class also. Okay, in the extra class. Okay, try to
Yes,
Okay,
that
sir.
experiment. What?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
But
Okay,
if you
sir.
have any doubt in the class, you ask now. Any related whatever we discuss. Any doubt? Question in the internal questions?
No, sir.
Yes or no?
No, sir.
No, sir.
In internal question. Have you any faced any problem in internal exam?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So good night. All, eh?
Hello, sir. Sir,
Yes. हाँ
sir, କାଲି sir जो ଆମର sir MATLAB ର କରାହବ କି sir?
हाँ तुम ଆସିନଥିଲ କି ସେଦିନ ମେଟଲା ପରା ଦେଖିଲ କଣ କଲ ସେଦିନ?
Sir, sir ସେଦିନ sir ରାଣା sir basic ପଢେଇଥିଲେ sir. ମାନେ MATLAB ରେ କେମିତି କଣ କରାଯାଏ sir ସେଟା basic ପଢେଇଥିଲେ.
हाँ ସେ ପ୍ଲଟ ସେଟା ସବୁ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ କଲ?
ହଁ sir କରାଇছে sir କରିଛି sir.
हाँ ସେ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ କରିକି ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଦିଅ କଣ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ କରିଛ ନହେଲେ ତମେ ଭୁଲିଯିବ କରିବନି ବୁଝିଲ ନା? ଯାହା ଯାହା କହିଛନ୍ତି ସେଦିନ
ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ମେଟଲାବ ରନ କରିକି ସବୁ ନେଟ ରେ ମାର ନେଟ ରେ ସବୁ ଅଛି କୋଡ ଫୋଡ ସବୁ ଅଛି ଯଦି ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ ନ କଲେ କରିପାରିବନି ମେଟଲାବ ବହୁତ ଦରକାର ସବୁ ଏକ୍ସପେରିମେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ତୁମର କୋଉ ବ୍ରାଞ୍ଚ?
Sir triple E sir.
हाँ से कंट्रोल सिस्टम का लिखिବାକୁ ପଡିବ କୋଡିଂ ଫୋଡିଂ ହେଲା पावर सिस्टम लिखिବାକୁ ପଡିବ ସବୁ
हाँ, sir.
फायर सेमिस्टर ଦରକାର ତ
ହଁ
ଶିଖିକି
sir
ମତେ
ଆଜି
ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଦିଅ
ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ laptop ରେ sir install କରୁଛୁ. ହଁ sir ଠିକ ଅଛି.
No, PKD campus student. I am asking about PKD campus student. What you have done?
सर क्या आप एक्स्ट्रा क्लास दे सकते हैं सर लैब?
ओनली सर आज मेटला
सर only सर आज
डाउनलोड ही
MATLAB
करा
मैम
हुआ है,
इंस्टॉल
इंस्टॉल ही
करवाई।
करवाया था मैम।
टुमारो मैम क्लास में करवाएंगे।
अच्छा ठीक है मैं देखूंगा क्या क्या एक्सपेरिमेंट हो रहा है तो उनको भी भेजूंगा 5-10 सेक्शन तो मतलब है वो हो जाएगा वो एक दिन में हो जाएगा तो
क्या आप लैब दे सकते हैं सर लैब क्लास सर?
हाँ हेलो
क्या क्लास दे सकते हैं लैब का? यस लैब का
लैब का
एक्स्ट्रा क्लास दे सकते हैं सर? एक्स्ट्रा क्लास
कितना क्लास दिया हुआ है?
सर एक्चुअली हम तो अभी कॉलेज नहीं पहुंचे सर तो
तुम कहाँ
घर पे सर होम
कहाँ
बिहार सर।
हाँ तुम क्यों तुम नहीं आओगे?
नो सर
अटेंडेंस चाहिए
नो अटेंडेंस नहीं सर बट सर अगर आप एक दिन एक्स्ट्रा लैब दे देते तो सर अच्छा रहता सर लैब क्लास।
तुम्हारा कहाँ मतलब कौन सा कैंपस पीकेडी कैंपस की वाइजैक कैंपस?
केडी कैंपस सर।
पीकेडी कैंपस वो तुम क्लास नहीं
सर
करोगे तो अटेंडेंस शॉर्ट हो जाएगा हाँ
कैसे होगा सर एक्चुअली अभी मेरा टिकट नहीं बना है सर।
और कितना अटेंडेंस चाहिए 100%?
आपका मर्जी सर जो भी दे सकते हैं।
नहीं मैं तो 100 से ज्यादा दूंगा 200%।
ओके सर
हाँ
क्योंकि सर एक्चुअली लैब क्लास
जितना
के बिना
चाहिए बोल
बाकी
देना
का और
100% की 200% जितना चाहिए मैं दे दूंगा तुम वहाँ में घर पे एंजॉय करो कुछ
ओके सर
नहीं है। जब बैग लग जाएगा ना पेपर में
मैंने
चलेगा हाँ
नो सर
नहीं